In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip multiple files using 7-zip. If you've got a folder full of zip archives and you want to unpack them all in one go, this process is quick and reliable with 7-zip. Start by opening the folder that contains the zip files you want to extract. Make sure you're looking at the exact location where those archives live, because everything you extract will be placed right there. Now, select all the zip files. You can drag a selection box around them or click one zip file and press Ctrl+A to select everything in the folder if that's what you need. If your folder has a mix of file types, it helps to sort by type or use the search box for .zip so you only highlight the archives you want. With the zip files selected, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and right-click on one of the highlighted files. Holding Shift while you right-click opens the full classic context menu, which makes the 7-zip options easy to find, especially on newer versions of Windows where the regular right-click menu is condensed. Keep holding Shift just for the click, then you can let it go. In the context menu that appears, look for the 7-zip entry. Hover over it to open the 7-zip submenu, then choose Extract Here. This command tells 7-zip to unpack the contents of every selected zip file directly into the current folder. You'll see a progress window as each archive is processed. If any archive is password protected, 7-zip will prompt you to enter the password before it continues. If files with the same name already exist, you may get an overwrite prompt. Choose the option that makes sense for your situation. Give it a moment to run through the list. The time it takes will depend on how many archives you selected and how large they are. When it's done, you'll see the extracted files appear alongside the original zips. Keep in mind that Extract Here places the contents directly in the folder you're in. So if multiple archives contain similarly named files or similar folder structures, you might end up with a lot of items in one place. That's expected behavior for this option. Once everything's extracted, take a quick look to confirm you have the files you were expecting. If storage space is a concern and you no longer need the zip archives themselves, you can safely delete or move them after verifying the extraction. And that's it. You selected all the zip files, used Shift plus right-click to bring up the full menu, and chose 7-zip, Extract Here to unpack them all at once.